Hi guys, this is Angad signing in from Shanghai, and today I'm going to talk about the next gen business leaders, things to do when you visit China, and how to make your trip more at ease. I mean, this is for you, those of you who are visiting here for the first time, or also those of you who have visited in the past but did not have a great experience and would like some nice tips and tricks to, get through. I would also say watch this video if you are a business traveler, because some of the tips, some of the tricks that I have shared in this video are based for business travelers. So, if you are looking at cutting corners short, saving money, this video is not for you. This video is that how to get the bang for the buck. When you spend money, you get the worth of it. Alright, so आपकी प्लानिंग ना आइडियली स्टार्ट हो जाती है जब आप प्लेन चढ़ते हो इंडिया में उससे पहले। कैसे? आपने यहाँ पे आइडियली आप शंघाई अगर लैंड कर रहे हो, you would land in two airports, either the Pudong airport or the Hongqiao airport. Now, the deal with the airports here is, if you're here for any kind of exhibition, or if you're here for any kind of show, auto show or something like that, they usually happen at the Hongqiao or the National Exhibition Convention Center, which is in Hongqiao. Now, I would recommend, if you're a business traveler, land in the Hongqiao airport, not in Pudong, because from Hongqiao airport, it is less than 10-15 minutes. Secondly, where to stay. Before you book your hotel, Hongqiao airport पे आपको होटल जब आप जाएंगे, Hongqiao के अंदर ही थोड़े बहुत hotels हैं. The best hotel that I would recommend is Intercontinental. Why? Because it is connected to the exhibition center hall number 5. So, you walk out of the hotel, and you are through security, and boom, there's the exhibition hall. So that would be very handy. If not that, there's a couple of other hotels. One of them is called the Cube, another one is Primus, and there's a couple of other hotel chains as well. You can look it up. But again, if you're a business traveler, get off at Hongqiao airport. Now, जब आप एयरपोर्ट से निकलते हो, आपका होटल बुक हो गया, ठीक है। अब होटल बुक करने के बाद आपने क्या करना है, आपने टैक्सी बुक करानी है, आपने एयरपोर्ट पिकअप होटल से ही कराना है। नाउ व्हाट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड अप डूइंग इज, नहीं यार, हम एयरपोर्ट पे ही टैक्सी मिल जाती है। एयरपोर्ट पे टैक्सी मिलती है, वो साफ भी होती हैं, बट फॉर समवन लाइक मी, आई डोंट लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ स्मोक। ओके, दे are stinking of smoke. They are stinking of cigarette. My experience of using the taxi when you walk out of the airport or something. Now, if you're okay with that, yes, they are smooth. Secondly, it is also a little bit of a challenge कि आप उसको ड्राइवर को रास्ता समझा रहे हो कि भाई रास्ता भी नहीं समझ आ रहा, फिर उसको एड्रेस बता रहे हो। अब एड्रेस आपके पास आइडियली हैंडी होना चाहिए जब आप लैंड करो। आप अगर होटल से बुलाओगे तो वो आइडियल रहेगा शंघाई में, ठीक है जी। देन नेक्स्ट इज, जब आप यहाँ आते हो, मे बी आप किसी शो में आओ, मे बी आप किसी फैक्ट्री के लिए जाओ, you should ideally plan one factory visit a day. That should be enough. One factory visit a day should be, it takes a lot of energy, yaar. That's what my point of view is. So plan one factory visit every day. Per day, not every day, per day. बाकी दिन मजे करो, एक दिन रखो अपना शंघाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट जाने के लिए। शंघाई एंटरटेनमेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे, जो यहाँ पे शॉपिंग एरियाज हैं। आई विल मेक अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन दैट, which is, I would say, where to go for business travelers. Business travelers we are very short on time. हमें टाइम नहीं होता, हमें सीधा उस जगह पे जाना है जहाँ पे हमें हमारे मतलब का सामान मिले, हमारे मतलब के वो ब्रांड्स मिले जो इंडिया में नहीं अवेलेबल हैं। तो where we should stay, so those brands are right accessible to you. These brands like Moncler, on Cloud shoes, Lululemon, these are the brands. We are talking in end of 2025, and these are certain brands that are not available in India right now. And obviously craze hota hai yaar. I myself, I play tennis, so I would like to go and see the flagship Shanghai ka on Cloud store, or so on. So if you want to know about that, just comment below and I'll hit you up with the link to that video. Yeah, so back to planning one factory visit per day. The second is, आपको ideally, जो आप अगर शंघाई में रह रहे हो ना, तो सारे यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज या जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं, वो सारी लगभग 2 से 3 घंटे के रेडियस, मैक्सिमम 4 घंटे रेडियस में बाय हाई स्पीड ट्रेन है। हाई स्पीड ट्रेन यहाँ पे चलती हैं 300-350 किलोमीटर पर आवर की। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट, दे आर फास्टर देन द साउंड ऑफ स्पीड, ब्रिलियंट, बैंग ऑन टाइम। अनदर थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू से, हाउ टू जज द स्टेट ऑफ अ कंट्री इज द स्टेटस, हाउ वेल कनेक्टेड their trains are and how timely the trains are, and second, how well the traffic is managed, how is the traffic sense, the road sense of the general public who are driving, and thirdly, how much traffic do you find on the roads between 7 and 8 a.m.? Think about it. They are very deep. I'll make a detailed video why I chose these three topics to talk about and how I evaluate every country based on these three topics. So let's get right on to it. अब आपने मिल लिया है, अब आपको ट्रेन स्टेशन पे जाना है. अब ट्रेन स्टेशन पे ideally आप use the website called trips.com. उस website पे you can book your train tickets. Very good English website. After booking your train tickets, you will get an option. You want to go on second class, first class, business class, or things like that. Now, while booking your train tickets, be careful. The business class is actually first class, and the first class is actually business class. What I mean is, आपको अगर separate cabin चाहिए अकेले बैठने के लिए, no disturbance enclosed, that's business class here. First class is what actually business class is on the plane. दो अच्छी comfortable seats हैं. Then second class, I'm assuming would be 3+2 configuration. I'm not sure. I didn't try that. But the mess up happened here was I actually booked first class, and that's how I found out it is actually business class, because I was traveling, like I wanted to, how do I say it? I had someone sitting right next to me, which doesn't happen in business class in case of a train in China Rail. Shanghai train. And मेरे साथ उल्टा भी हुआ कि जब मैंने फर्स्ट बिजनेस क्लास टिकट book kari, and I was at that time traveling with my father, and we were coming back from this factory visit, and on the way back from the factory visit हमने सोचा we'll exchange notes, we'll talk about each other's experiences, and look at the plan of action. He was flying the next day, but since we had booked the business class, that's when I found out it's actually individual cabins and it's actually first class. It's not first class, not business class कि हम साथ नहीं बैठे हों. But जाते समय so I hope you get the point. That's for first point. For the train then, in case you book business class, the second point here is the trains are really long. So you get, when you enter the station, your passport is your ID. You don't need to show a physical ticket, print out, app, nothing. Just show your passport. All the details are already logged in their system. They look at your passport number and boom, that's your ticket, that's your ID. It's like Digi Yatra in India. So now you're through to the inside the station, you go to the business lounge. Now why I'm saying go to the business lounge is because the business lounge has a direct access to your compartment और bogie number और car number जो होती है ideally. तो आपको normal उससे अगर आप जाओगे, normal escalator लिया, वहाँ पे आपने थोड़ी shopping कर ली या Tim Hortons पे कॉफी पी ली, उसके बाद आप नीचे उतरे और आप then that's when you find out कि यार मैं तो नीचे उतरा हूँ और मैं हूँ car number 8 पे, but मेरी car number है, normally business class is car number 1, so you have to rush to car number 1, and for that usually you have 5 minutes. Yeah, just be mindful of that. I made that mistake also where I was like मेरे को क्या करना है business class में, मेरे को एक्सप्लोर करना है यार, आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर द रेलवे स्टेशन. तो मैं निकल गया घूमने, बट फिर मुझे भागना पड़ा अपने कार पे अपनी ट्रेन पे बैठने के लिए. तो बट हो गया था, अरेंज हो गया था. और जब मैं एंटर किया तो ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि हम वहाँ पे होती 8 सीटें हैं, तो उनको ऑलरेडी पता होता है कि ये नाम जो है ना, ये लोकल नाम नहीं है, ये बाहर का बंदा है. तो देख के वो पहचान जाते हैं, आ जाओ भाई ये तेरी सीट है. खाना मिलता है, बेसिक खाना होता है. आप आई डोंट थिंक ऑप्शन होती है पहले चूज करने की, बट इफ़ यू आर vegetarian or I doubt you will get food in the train, but you can anyways opt for it and then see. They usually serve rice with some veggies along with whatever meat they are having. So you can avoid the meat, have the rice and veggies. Then identification के लिए did I mention that when you enter the train station or when you exit the train station, बहुत लंबी लंबी लाइनें होती हैं अब ट्रेन पे चढ़ने के लिए. ये सेकंड सिक्योरिटी लेवल है. तो जब आप ट्रेन पे चढ़ने के लिए लाइनों में आपको नहीं लगना, उनकी ना, क्योंकि लाइनों में लगे रहोगे तो चाइनीज लोकल आईडी होगा, जैसे हमारा आधार कार्ड होता है, एंड वो कोई चेक नहीं कर रहा. मशीन पे सिर्फ वो टैप कर रहे हैं, जैसे हम एक NFC टैग या RFID टैप करते हैं और उससे वो निकल जाते हैं आगे. हमारे जैसे फॉरेनर्स के लिए पासपोर्ट ही ID है, तो उसके लिए मैनुअल एक सिक्योरिटी वाला या पुलिस वाला टाइप बंदा होता है अपने यूनिफॉर्म में. अब उनको दो, उसमें नॉर्मली 10 लोग होते हैं या 5 लोग होते हैं उस लाइन में. इट्स एम्प्टी लाइन, सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ वेरी गुड आइडिया टू यूज दैट. आई होप दिस वीडियो वाज ऑफ use to you, and I hope you can make some sense out of it. Anyways, I am India's top mentor for next gen in the family business, and in case you would like to know anything other than a visit in China or also about visiting China, you can book a call with me and click in the link below and or WhatsApp on the number below. And in case you have any other questions, concerns, I look forward to connecting with you someday. Thanks for watching this, and bye for now.